Photo posts on TikTok are still in, you can say, and they generate quite a good traffic because they are not so common anymore, but TikTok still wants to push them. Photo posts are a great way to reach new audiences and kind of tell the algorithm, hey, I'm doing something new, push it to people. Consistency is great, but in terms of TikTok, it's really good to have different kind and different types of content that you put there. Horizontal videos, yes. Vertical videos, green screen effects, photo posts, short videos, long videos. TikTok wants to see that you care. So how do you create a photo post on TikTok? Click on the plus button just as if you were uploading a new video. Swipe to the left all the way to the photo, and then in the corner on the left, choose your photos. You can click next, and then automatically it adds audio. If you intend to have the music on the pictures, which I highly recommend, I also recommend keeping what the TikTok chose for you. It's good for the algorithm. So you can then edit each individual picture. And for example, for each of the picture, you can also add text and of course, different text all the time if you want to tell the story. Once you're done, click next. And then of course, TikTok tells you what you're supposed to do. So add a catchy title or writing a long description can help get 3 times more views on average. So please do that. Once you're done, you can click on those arrows and click on the top to preview how it's gonna look like, and you're done. I wrote an ebook about TikTok and I put together some hacks, tips, and secrets because I've talked to so many creators, and you can now download it for free. Check out the link in the description of this video. Enjoy! If you found this video helpful, use the thanks button to say thank you, and I'll see you next time.